So I am on Pixel Studio. I'm going to use this image. So now I'm going to add my text. So let's select the text tool, left click, select the artistic text tool, and now left click and now type your text. And now Control A to select all the text. I'm going to change the size to 500, press enter, and then I'm going to change the font here. I'm going to change it to Anton. So now I'm just going to select the move tool. I'm going to place it here, and now I'm just going to distort it from this handle here, on the right handle. As you can see, the cursor changes. I'm going to move it up like this. So now I'm just going to place it here. So now in order to create an outline text, left click on the FX icon here. To add the layer effects, left click on it. I'm going to move the layer effects window to the right. And now I'm just going to reduce the fill opacity here. So here it is down here, left click. I'm going to reduce to 0%. So now we can see our text. And now let's select the outline, left click on it, check the outline. And now I'm just going to increase the radius. As you can see, there's the blend mode, the opacity, the radius, alignment, fill style, and the color. So for example, I'm going to increase the radius. So as you can see, the outline is visible. So now for the fill style, you can left click here. You can choose solid color, contour, or gradient. I'm going to select the solid color. I'm going to left click on the color. I'm going to change it to white. And for the alignment here, you can either choose outside, center, or inside. I'm just going to leave to the inside. So I think I'm going to change it to center, then increase a little bit the radius. So here it is.